How to hide apps on Android 2022. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to How to Solution, and today in this video I will going to show you how you can hide your applications on your phone. So first of all, go into the settings, and if you scroll down you came across a section where it says home screen. Tap here, and from here on, if you scroll down you came across the section where it says hide apps. Simply tap on that, but in some Android versions they're not giving the options of hide app. So if you don't have the options in your settings, simply go into the Play Store, tap in the search bar and type Microsoft Launcher. Now install this application. Once the application is installed, simply open the application, tap on Get Started, tap on Continue, and tap on Skip here. Now tap on Let's Go. And after that, tap on Set as Default. Now after that, tap on a whole empty screen right here. Now click on Settings, tap on System Settings, tap on Home Screen. So long tap on empty whole screen. Now tap on Launcher Settings. After that, go into Home Screen. Now tap on Hidden Apps. So simply from here on you can hide your applications. I simply select that application, tap on Done. Now that's how you hide your applications, and if you want to unhide the application, you simply tap on Unhide and you can unhide the application. That's how simple it is. That is it in this video, and if you have any question you can ask me right in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. I'll catch you up guys in the next video. Until then, have a good one.